Hey you everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, it's a pleasure to have each and every individual welcome on this channel. So I'm back again in Russia, USA, Russia, where I see this lovely, spontaneous, beautiful music group is located. Okay, I've seen them, I've loved them. The first time I've reacted to it was a beautiful song. So I've seen where this music video was released. It is called Yola, and the group that I'll be reacting to, they are called Hey Yola. So on the contrary, is the Yola representing the Ayola? Because probably they can be singing about themselves. So I want to know if that's the case here, because the group name is Yola and the title of the song is Yola. Okay, and the rest afterwards I'm not sure, but it's a official music video. So with that being said, let's see what's taking place in this music video. Hey Yola, Yola. I read this guy. He's amazing. Wait, he's going too fast. Okay, so I'll try to see if I could catch up. Okay, do what we say. Let's eat. Do what we say. Okay. Where they're saying that, do what the elders says, respect them. As a youth growing up, I realized that some elders shouldn't be gained respect because some of them are very disrespectful. So to respect the elders or to do what they say, sometimes it doesn't make any sense. Alright, but for the ones who give respect, I will give respect. So let's continue with this quote is saying, where she's saying, right? Let a human be the name for you, okay? Hey, songs like these always entices me, alright? Because if you honor tradition, you will live. And that's a fact. Because traditionally speaking, I'm literally continuing my family's tradition. Alright? And their music videos always be in some very lovely places. Right? Exquisite beauty. So they are really impressive when it comes down to music videos. When it comes down to inspirations, they are also impressive. So they're saying, block the part of evil eternally. Yeah, and let kindness reign. That's basically the facts. That's basically what should be happening. Let the goodness prevail and the evil be stopped. Block the part of evil. That's what basically humanity should be doing. Alright, but people let the evil deeds taking over their minds, and blocking the part of goodness for eternity. So goodness will always prevail regardless. Right? So very good message. Let's continue. traditions. Let's honor our traditions. Let's make our traditions live on. Let's carry on the role of our ancestors' traditions. Impressive. Just freak. Cherish your traditions. Traditions. Cherish your traditions. Traditions. Cherish your traditions. And your life will be blessed. Our tradition is like our blessing. Alright? So we should cherish our traditions so we could have a blessed and living life. So they are really good at this. Practically amazing. Traditions are timeless, or traditions are great. Very good. Absolutely good. So this song is all about tradition and our ancestors. Fucking hell, they are so good, bro. Like this song is very good on this topic. Everyone who follows them in life get blessing in life. I don't know about other people's traditions, but I can be certain about my tradition. It is a blessing to follow my tradition, and my tradition could pass on to my generations and generations to come beyond. Damn, they are good, bro. I do not know about other people's traditions, but I do cherish my traditions. Rip! Rip! Exactly, you know, we have to respect the younger ones, give them the tradition that we also know for ourselves, and you know, block the path of evil eternally. Do not let evil prevail, but let good prevail forever. This is so beautiful. I mean, like, this video was, you know, done. Alright, the scenery is breathtaking. Everything is just breathtaking. Everything is just like a beautiful moment that we can sit and be enjoying about. Very good. So, traditions, traditions, traditions. This is a fantastic message. A message to all those people who considered not to follow their traditions. This song is a perfect song that, you know, implores you to follow your tradition. Whatever tradition you guys have within that family, just follow it. It is basically what is going to be living on forever. You know, with generations to come, that tradition will always be a continuum of where it was left, and to be continued by the generation that can pick it up. So follow your traditions, 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 traditions. Love the elders, love the youth. Spread that respect, that honor, tradition of yourself to the youth, and the youth will be growing up into an adult. And after he or she became an adult, then the tradition that you have already set will be passed down to that generations. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to subscribe, leave a like, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in another Yola reaction.